let's go ahead and talk about what transpired yesterday. I get a message from It's Ken. He sends me a photo of an Instagram story that says 21A in stock, bronze or gunmetal, 18 by 10.5 plus 22, 5 by 120. So I was a little shocked because it's 5 by 120 and not 5 by 114, which is the only thing those come in off the shelf. And I had actually been considering running a 5 by 114 in like 11J with like a 5 by 114 to 5 by 120 adapter, which would be like 15 millimeters. I looked into it and it turns out that they do have sets of these wheels in bronze and gunmetal actually in stock. And so I freaked out a little bit. I was like, yo, I gotta get these wheels. I don't know when they're gonna run this like setup again, this spec. Like whoever ordered these sets, like I think you have to order 10 sets to get a custom spec. Well, it turns out that Mackin is the one that actually has the sets, and they were making them available for dealers to sell, I guess. But I reached out to my guy at Mackin, and let me just say, he's the best. He was like, yo, we got you. We just need you to submit another sponsorship proposal saying you want the 21A. So he's gonna get them shipped out Monday. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Sagas on the car now. I'll probably end up selling them. I do have the other sponsored set of TEs coming from Rays. And I also have something really special from Varis and Bulletproof Automotive coming next week. Literally a one of one, like no other person, like consumer in the world has it. So anyways, other than that stuff, I do have the meet I'm going to right now. So I'll do a walk around when I get there. So we're here at the meet. So I've never actually been inside of here. Let me just open the door and check it out. They got a bunch of racing sims. This little track for drift cars, I guess. Mostly like stance cars here. Okay, I lied. Mostly like stock cars here. I'm gonna walk back towards my car because my windows are open.
Barbecue.
It's awesome. My butt hurts though from the toilet after.
Did you went to a birthday party?
Yeah, 770. And my dad.
Oh, bro?
It was just a birthday dinner.
I think that the yellow on the Antigravity bar looks more darker.
Really?
I think it looks better.
It looks more like this yellow. This yellow looks more like the old Corvette yellow. The Velocity yellow. Yeah, that shit looks sick on C5 and C6. And then the first couple years of C7 had it, but then they changed the yellow to like a really lighter yellow like that one.
Yeah, you're still on it.
I can't be Asian in a yellow car though. It's a stereotype, man.
Yeah.
Man. That's a Vietnamese,
Chan, man.
That's a Vietnamese stereotype. Asian guy in a yellow car.
Stop. Stop. What fuck grill are you putting on? Jay's Racing?
What's up, guys? Today I'm making a video reviewing the Geon Q2M fabric cleaner. A lot of guys ask me how I keep the Alcantara so clean. So I'm doing a little video on that. So this is just a little behind the scenes of what I have to do when I make a video. I mean, got this little light box here. Got my Sony A7C setup, 1635 GM. Since I'm gonna be making a reel, I'm shooting vertically. So the number one thing I tell them is make sure your hands are always clean and touch as little of the interior as possible. So literally the only mark really is right here where my thumb is. You really don't have to use harsh cleaners or try to rub stains out really hard. You just have to get a interior brush, and 90% of the dirt is just gonna come off when you brush it, and you're gonna gently brush it side to side. So I actually sprayed the cleaner onto the towel itself, and then I use the towel to wipe. I just gently wipe and then I brush it afterwards. So from my point of view, it's like this, because people ask me if I can see the gauges and whatnot. So you can hear the BlackVue told me that there was an impact during parking mode, and that was just me opening and closing the door. So let's get to the giveaway part. I was able to get a DR970X 2-channel 4K BlackVue dash camera, brand new, to do a giveaway. And the people at BlackVue are like super generous, so great. I emailed them, I was like, hey, I want to do a giveaway with this item, the same camera that I'm running, you know, and they were like, sure, go ahead. I was like, wow, that's it? Okay. So here's how to enter. Since it's a pretty big item, I mean, this thing's like almost $700. We're gonna do this. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the video, and then I'm gonna have a post related to this video on Instagram. If you share it, then I'll give extra entries. I get notifications of who all shared it. I'm gonna keep track of all those and give you guys an extra entry into the giveaway. So we'll run it for a week from when this video goes live on YouTube. Tonight there's a Eurofed meet. I gotta pick up some stuff before I get to the Euro meet. Say hi, Mila. So if you guys are looking for the perfect grocery getter, it's it right here. Okay. Let's get to the Eurofed meet now. So we're at the spot. Just waiting for my friends to get here. They got all sorts of BMWs here. Look at this yellow one.
Man, I wish I had a chicken nugget to feed her, man.
I gave her a surprise.
Oh, good gosh, yo. Chris younger?
Oh, nah. I gotta leave soon. I can only stay like 30-40 minutes. I just came to like vlog a little bit, you know?
Oh my god!
My friend Eric's RS6. We got a race. He's at like 800 crank. But I mean, he's also like 5,000 pounds, I think. So yeah, this meet starts at 7. We're just starting to roll. Like the old school spoon NSX days.
Yo, the plate though.
That plate is hilarious.
What? I'm surprised they got approved.
The small package that came from Rays, the guys at Mackin, they're awesome. They sent me over these Rays tire covers. So since I'm gonna have the spare wheel and tire for track, it's going to be going on those. It's just Velcros around, and then you cover one side, the wheel face. And then what's dope about these, it's got a little handle, and you can just carry around your wheel and tire. And then you can put like your little name tag or whatever in here, your credentials, I guess. That's pretty sick. Yeah, these are awesome. I like it because it's like the raised blue. So you always get this, like the JWL Plus R rating, and they go like above and beyond. Rays goes above and beyond the testing for the JWL certification. So they made their own called JWL Plus R. And then you always get this little cover. So let's see. Ooh, damn! Look at this thing. Dude, I love this wheel. Oh, should I weigh it? 2 pounds. Sorry, guys. All right, 4.77 pounds. All right, so 20.8 pounds is what each wheel weighs. These wheels look sick. Like, these things look so freaking sick. I love the engraving. And the engraving is like kept to a minimum. It's just here around the lug holes. Nothing around the outside like usual with like the sagas and stuff. The lip is a polished bronze, and it, oh my god, it looks so good. I didn't even think about that. I thought it was just going to be all like classic raised anodized bronze. So yeah, usually the anodized bronze is like very shiny and it looks like it's got like flake in it or something. It's like glittery. But yeah, the lip is just like a polished bronze. And it is a 3-inch lip. It's the L lip. Yeah, it always comes with the valve stem that's taped to the bottom. So it's the same caps that fit like the Saga S Plus and like M Spec. I believe the ZE40s. On the back side, you got the specs and the certifications and production date. And I don't know if they've always done this, but I noticed on wheels recently, they put stampings on the inside and there's even like a little QR code. If you guys haven't checked out the making of forged raised wheels video from Raise Engineering, check it out. I'll post the link right above here and it'll be in the description also. Here's how the lip is gonna look from the side. Woo! Look at that lip. So let me know what you guys think of these wheels. So thanks for watching vlog 3, guys. Vlog 4 is gonna have mounting tires on these, installing them, a very special part from Varis and Bulletproof Automotive coming on Monday. So all of that will be in vlog 4. Thanks for watching, guys.